How to back up your iPhone in. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. Now open Settings and tap on your Apple ID name at the top. Tap on iCloud. Here, scroll down a little. Then tap on iCloud Backup. Make sure the iCloud Backup toggle is turned on. Now tap on Backup Now. Wait for the backup process to complete. Make sure your phone stays connected to Wi-Fi during this time. You can also scroll down and choose what data you want to include in the backup, like photos, messages, WhatsApp, and more. If you're low on iCloud storage, you might want to manage your storage or upgrade your plan right from here. To check if the backup was successful, come back to this screen later and you'll see the time of your last backup under the Backup Now button. If you prefer to use a computer instead, just plug your iPhone into a Mac or Windows PC. On a Mac, open Finder. On a Windows PC, use iTunes. Select your iPhone when it appears, then choose Backup Now under the Backups section. You can also encrypt your backup if you want to include sensitive data like passwords and health info. That's all for the video. Backing up your iPhone regularly keeps your data safe, so make sure to do it often. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.